everyone, it's Anne here again. When I was up in Melbourne with Kerry recently, she made a embellishment from this new digi. I think it's a freebie. We both made one, and I was going to make a video of mine, but I just never got time. So I'm back home here, and I've got plenty of time. I'd like to show you the piece that I made from this digi. It comes in two parts, or there's 2 pages to the set, and this is what I made with mine. It's just a pocket with a couple of journaling cards in. So I'd like to show you how I made it. I've already cut out the pieces from both sheets onto some thin card. The only thing I haven't cut is to separate these 2 pieces here. These 2, I've cut out this and all this, but these 2 I've left together, just remove the border, because I'm going to use those as the backing for my pocket. And I'm going to use this other postcard for the front of the pocket. I'm just going to attach it by folding a piece of lace, a piece that looks like lace. Let's fold it in half. Apply some glue. I'll just measure it first to see how much I need. So that's going to go that way to there. So I need to cut it off there. And there's enough left over for the other side. Just put that over the edge. And then I'll do the same on the other side. It's exactly the right size. Okay. Now the one I used along the bottom was the one from the second piece. I'll just do the same thing. Alright, easiest pocket ever. So that's that part done. Now, the piece that I had left, it's going to fold it in half. Just going to cut it into 2 pieces. And I'll go around the edge with some archival ink. Right, so we're going to make the 2 little journaling card pieces. So I've got my 2 pieces cut in half, and I'm going to use the 2 heart pictures for the top. But to make them stand out, I'm just going to cut half of it off. So going in with my scissors, just trim around the heart. Like that, and the same with the other one. Alright, now just glue those down, but I'm only going to put glue halfway, just not where the cut out heart bit is. I'm going to put the 2 edges together there where my fingers are. Press it down. Same with this one. So now I've got my 2 journaling cards, like that, and I'll just use a couple more pieces just to decorate. So the little butterfly, just going to cut that out a little bit more, take the white off the edge. Rini had a good idea when you're wanting to cut out stamps. She uses the little metal strip off a box of plastic wrap. You know, the boxes, the long boxes you get. It's got a metal edge like a saw blade that you tear it off. Well, she's kept one of those and mounted it on some stiffer cards so she can use it to tear round stamp images, so they've got that nice perforated edge. The other thing I've done from time to time is use my sewing machine without cotton to sew around the stamp, and then you can tear it. Or you could use an old pair of thinning scissors that just cut in your hair. They don't cut all the hair, they just cut a little bit out. So if you cut paper with them, it just perforates the paper. Anyway, just a couple of ideas. couple of words here. Sending love, memories. Where's the memories piece? Here it is. And then I just put the number in the bottom right hand corner. Like that. Alright, so now we've got two the same. Like that, very, very easy pocket. I love the colours on that. Well, as you can see, I've got a few bits left over, and they never go to waste. I'm mixed up with all my bits of rubbish here, sorry. I've got a couple of hearts, some words, some numbers. I did make some other things with them. I'd like to show you what I made. I think I used another sheet, as well as the odds and bits that were left over. So I made this little embellishment using the butterflies and a love word. And the background of the lady is from our vintage gift wrap which we have in the shop. And I just stuck the wrap onto a piece of card and cut it out, and then used these little embellishments just to finish it off. Same with these ones. This time I cut the lady out so she had a bit more shape to her, and used a couple of the hearts from the digi set. Same with this one. And I had a couple of extra butterflies left over from something else, so I just popped those on. But I like when I cut it out, it gives them much more dimension, and I have used some foam squares underneath, so they really stand out. Alright, something quick and easy. Just wanted to share that with you. I thank you very, very much for watching. Have fun crafting, and I hope to see you again soon in the next video. Bye for now.